Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about Schwintek in-wall slide-outs. Slide-outs are a great feature for your RV to give your family a little bit of extra square footage while you're camping. One of the easiest ways to identify if your slide-out has a Schwintek system on it is to take a look at the outside of that slide. On the wall you may see some silver gear racks or possibly black gear racks that come in two colors. On those gear racks, if they're a couple inches wide and have an S-curve pattern to the gear rack itself, that's going to be your Schwintek system. If you have a Schwintek system, there are some basic maintenance things you want to keep an eye on. It's fairly low maintenance altogether. The main thing that you need to worry about is with the gear racks themselves, keep an eye out for dirt and debris. If you do find any, use a little hot soapy water. There's no need to lubricate the gear racks themselves. The wipe seals on the side of the coach are also in need of attention every once in a while. A little hot soapy water on those now and then to keep them clean is going to be fantastic. No need to use any kind of seal conditioner with that. Now we're going to go inside and take a look at operation. So, proper operation of your Schwintek system. When operating your system, you're going to have a switch on your wall. You're going to have an extend and a retract side to that switch. To extend your room, go ahead and press the extend, and your room is going to start moving out. When it hits the end of its run, you will hear both motors start to amp up, and then they will cut out on their own. Ensure that once they have done so that you hold that wall switch for 3 to 5 seconds after the completion of the run for any last minute adjustment. Just like so. If you notice during operation that one side or the other of your room is not fully extending all the way out, one of the things you can do to fix this is what we call the resyncing process. The reason this happens to your room is that on occasion people don't always hold the switch for that 3 to 5 seconds at the end of the run. When that happens, the room doesn't get a chance to fully extend, and then it starts to add up over time. It's an easy fix. It just takes a few moments of your time. To fix this with your room already all the way out, go ahead and back the room in 1 to 2 inches. Then simply hit extend and press and hold until you hear both motors amp out, and continue to hold for 3 to 5 seconds after. You are going to repeat this process until the room resyncs and both motors stop at the same time.